This is the back crack challenge. So go on your knees.
Oh, my knee cracked.
Oh, they're already cracking. Alright, then put your hands behind your head. Yeah. Alright. With the other side.
What? This
What?
is dumb.
So I'm going to place my hands between your knees here, okay? Now go ahead and push into my hands. Push, 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 push. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. How'd that feel?
It felt good.
Good.
Relax. Breathe. Breathe out. Nothing. Okay, wait. Okay, let's focus on this. Oh! You're too small. You're just like dying behind there. Alright.
I can't see. I can't see.
Okay, that's a tiny one. It's funny, I just can't.
My brother's gonna do the TikTok thing where he cracks my back. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, it's like this, right?
I think so.
And then no, you're supposed to put your arms like... Wait. Okay. Oh.
Thank you, Evan.
So my sister hasn't seen this like back crack challenge that people are doing yet, so I'm gonna just do it on her because she's perfect for this, and her back I think is gonna go insane. Your back about to go insane.
Okay, how do I do
Get on your knees, right? And then put your hands behind your head, right?
Okay.
And then I'm supposed to like, I think it's like this, right?
This is gonna hurt me.
Okay.
If you try to lift me up, I'm gonna be so mad.
Shh. Oh!
Holy crap!
Well, you gotta do that to me. That sounds good. Do it
This
to
is
me.
incredible.
Do it to me.
Okay, wait, I don't know how to do this. That was incredible. Okay, ready?
I don't think I did it right.
I heard a crack. I did hear a crack.
It's my knee.
Oh.
Is it on? Okay, so we're gonna try out a new one today. People have been doing this on TikTok. I don't know what the whole craze is all about here, so we're gonna try it. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Hang in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna cut my hand.
Damn, that felt good.
Oh damn. That was good. I approve.
job,
I approve.
Had to try it out.
So right back.
Just wait. And wait, it gets worse.
So I saw this TikTok challenge, a back crack challenge. Cracking your back is the best thing ever, but If you only live by yourself, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. If you have a counter in your house, you'll qualify. So all you gotta do is put the counter like almost a quarter down your back. Get down right here. Lay down and pull up on your head. Oh, that shit felt immaculate.
Okay, so I see everyone posting about getting together with their significant others and having them pop their back by grabbing their front and moving their hips. Well, I'm going to show you how you can do the same exact thing without having a significant other. Lay down on your stomach and you're going to put your hand on your outside hip and lift up your knee, just like, you know, when you cross over and lift your knee. And then you're going to twist this way with your upper half and this way with your bottom half. And I do that all the time.
Testing out to see if this cracking trick actually works.
Oh, I'm so short. All right, ready? Set. Oh!
All right, we think we can do better.
We thought we could do better.
Be more aggressive.
Yes, be more aggressive, please.
Okay. I think I'm too tall for you.
Set.
We couldn't.
Did you feel
Did
that?
you feel that?
Did it work?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, next.
All right, we got a cameraman.
This is how you crack your sacrum. I actually don't know if I can teach you how to do this. You just kind of have to figure it out on your own, but these are my 3 methods to crack my sacrum. You just kind of tuck and lean back and... Wasn't that such a good crack? Okay, bye.
Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. And all the way out.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Okay, one more time. And all the way out. Great release.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
By the way. That was deep.
All right, take a deep breath. Let it out. Perfect.
That felt good.
You guys wanted some back cracks? Well, here they are. Oh no. Oh.
Can you do this? That was my sacrum.
Oh, no.